Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. So before I start, I'd like to share that all of you have been speaking really beautifully in Punjabi. Being from the West, I'm not too well versed with it, so bear with me in English for the next few minutes. So my name is Param Kaur. I'm from Pune, representing Maharashtra in my opening statement today. So starting with education, talking about myself initially, I'm a chartered accountant and Pune as a city and Maharashtra as a state has good amount of generic educational opportunities. So it is a good place to learn, but what lacks is that there are very few Sikh specific initiatives. So what I experienced during my education is that while pursuing education, like while being in a college full of, majority of non-Sikh people, like in Maharashtra, hardly 0.2% of the population belong to the Sikh community. So you tend to drift away from Sikhi because all your friends and your company, people around you are non-Sikh, so they don't relate to your way of living. Like I have faced questions like, hello. Yeah, I have faced questions like, oh, you don't do your eyebrows, you may look prettier if you do it, or oh, you have never trimmed your hair. So such kind of questions at that age when you are a bit immature, they do affect you. So I feel like there's an urgent need to spread more awareness and bring the Sikh community together in the form of education as well as career opportunities. So I feel like there should be more colleges who focus more on community awareness and education should be one part of it. Talking about career next, so like similar to education, again Pune being a tier 1 city, there are good amount of opportunities, but there is less incentive for Sikh people to come together and interact about their own life stories and career stories. So like in my own company, I'm working as a consultant at Bain, so in my own company, out of a strength of 1,000, I can hardly spot like 5 to 6 Sikh people. So that is one thing which I feel is lacking, and I would really like to contribute a bit to, make my community more closer to each other, where you can have like career counseling sessions for Sikh people to achieve more in life and get connected to each other. Lastly, talking about Sikhi Sarup, again, since like there's a very big minority in the west part of India of the Sikh community, there's lesser awareness about Sikhi way of living. Like everybody knows about the principles and they know like the Panch Kakar and all the rules and regulations, but the logic and the insight behind that is lacking. And I feel the youth which is upcoming now, they are more logic and practical based and lesser emotional, with a lesser emotional quotient. So as a solve for it, I think there should be more and more Sikh camps organized which promote the Sikhi principles and the logics behind those principles. I'm sure that Sikhism is one of the latest religions and it is one of the most practical religions. I'm sure there's science behind every principle which we are supposed to follow. So the only part which is missing is spreading awareness about it.
And in last minute, 40 seconds.
Yeah. So I think that is it from my side. What I look forward to after these 2 days is that I would really like to give back to my own community when I go back to Pune and spread more awareness about these 3 key topics. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.